Just do the whole spoon. Yeah.
What, more of that?
No, put more. Like, put a fuckload.
Yeah, easy for you to say, you're not fucking doing it. That's a pretty big spoon.
You have to, like, give proof that it's not.
In the moon. Not enough?
I don't know. I don't. Yeah.
Fuck it.
I don't think you'll do it though. Go. Ready?
Very floury.
Are you seriously doing it? You're like tearing up a little, man. Something wrong?
Not really.
Are you serious? Have you done? Are you serious?
Nearly.
Oh, it's still going. Wow.
My teeth must look all fucked up.